I want to tell you a little story. So one of the things that the Franchise Tax Board did was they conspired with Deputy Attorney General Anna Barsakian to post me and my husband's Social Security numbers online. She's the one that posted it online, but she didn't have our Social Security numbers. Franchise Tax Board gave them to her. And that's something that they have a pattern of doing. They've actually had to pay out penalties to other people in other court cases for exposing Social Security numbers. So it's an established tool of harassment that they use. So anyway, I am positive that the person who ordered them to do that is named Bill Hilson. And Bill Hilson was the head of the Litigation Department for FTB while my court case was pending. And so he retired last year, and he gave the weirdest retirement speech ever. Like, usually retirement speeches are, I had all these great memories. Let me tell you about this time. Let me tell you about that time. I love you all. I'll miss you. Like, that's how they all go. Not this one. So this guy gets up there and she says, I'm ethical, and Franchise Tax Board is ethical, and Franchise Tax Board hired me because I'm ethical. And I'm a great lawyer, and I give great legal advice. And I have given such good legal advice to everyone at FTB all these years. And I'm a great manager, and my employees loved working for me. And then he starts to cry, like actually cry. And he says, mistakes were made. And then he stops crying, like gets his composure, and continues talking about how ethical he is. And I was like, wow. What mental gymnastics that guy goes through to like
lie
to himself, you know?
And to everyone else, like, and it's like, oh my gosh, it's like, trust me, just trust me, okay? I'm good. I'm a good person. It's like they're trying to program you into believing that they're a certain way, so you're just like, no, he's ethical. He said it himself. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Even if whatever they're showing isn't ethics, you know what I mean? It's like, oh, okay.
So the interesting thing about that guy is he retired in September. So he only worked 9 months, right? But his pay for 2022, only working 9 months, was $136,000 more than he'd ever made in any year prior. So I think that was pension spiking.
Probably.
Like.
Right? I mean,
so I suspect that the reason why he was forced to step down was because I filed a federal criminal complaint against him. So that's the segue, I guess.